Hi, I'm Andy Evalds. I'm with Green-H Technologies and Green-H Services from Tyler, Texas. And we're here this morning by the adit of the American Tunnel mine, right above their settling pond. And we're here to prove that we have a process which can clean the water from that mine and make it suitable for discharge into the stream. Our process is very, very basic in that we induce a cavitation through a patented process which allows us to take dissolved metals that are in the water for the mine discharge and take them out of solution, and then we capture those solids in our process. We then take any residuals which we didn't, we reprocess them in our system and create a clean effluent. The mine has been fairly stable the last few days, but the initial days that we were here in the last 2 weeks, the mine varied by a concentration of basically 2. So we went from 15 to 1600 microsiemens to over 3000 and then back down. It's very stable right now. We produced water which has a conductivity of anywhere from 56 microsiemens up to 700 microsiemens. Those labs are now being collected by the BLM. They take twice daily samples. They're sending them off to labs to see how effective our process has been. In prior runs up in this region, we've actually been able to get the water down to near pharmaceutical quality, which is obviously too clean to discharge in the water. But you can actually tune our system to how clean do you want it. We can arrange it so that you can meet the discharge requirements that you may have. The solids that are collected in a sample that we ran last fall on one of these mines allowed us to demonstrate the solids that we collected were non-toxic. So now this byproduct of the system, rather than being a waste, could be reclaimed in various ways, either through a foundry, or you can use it for paving roads, or whatever you might imagine that load could be. On the runs we've had here, we had initial results to tune our system. We did a quick sample through the labs, and we were able to take out 90 to 95% of the dissolved metals that were in the acid mine discharge from the American Tunnel. We took out zinc by about 90 to 95%, iron. There were other components in there like calcium, magnesium, and we all reduced those greatly in our run. And depending upon the metal the effectiveness can vary slightly. So we're here, we're tuning the system this last week, we're running at a stable condition this week, getting very repeatable results. So the intent is to do a demonstration here. The BLM then would like us to go on and see what we could do in a larger scale and potentially build a pilot plant here. That's yet to be determined.